Alright, so for this activity in 10G, we're going to use a copy of the previous task of 10F or previous activity 10F. We're going to create a two-dimensional grid showing all the boats. So that's a hint that we're going to get all the boats that have not been sold. So this is one criteria. And that were made after the year 2010. And the number of each type of the boat in stock. And the year, so we need the each type of the boat and the year of these types that were made. Do not show any records or columns. So obviously this is a crosstab question, because you can see the words over here, they're asking like around two criteria, one in the field, these two fields, I mean, one should be column heading, one should be row heading. The third clear point is that do not show it as a column and row totals. That's usually in crosstabs. So before creating a crosstab, we need to add two criteria. One is that the year should be after 2010, and another, the boats should not be sold. So for that, we need to apply it in a normal query and then save it. And then we're going to use that saved query to directly modify it in crosstab. So the first step, what we need to do, we need to add a query, just a normal query from query design. That's the table I'm adding. I'm adding just a, as you can see here, I'm adding just the boat table. After that, I am adding all the fields in the boat as it is mentioned, all the boat fields. So I'm adding all of them. So I am putting two criteria. One, the year supposed to be more than 2010. Another, it shouldn't be sold, so it's supposed to be null, because in case it is sold, you're going to find a date that means it belongs to the customer. So over here, this is my data. So I mean, this is my query. I saved it under the name of activity 10G for those crosstab. Now this query, I'm going to use it in crosstab. So now let's go to, again, we can use either query wizard or query design. I'm going to use query design. I'm not going to refer to the tables. I'm going to refer to the query. So use the query that we just created over here. Okay. Now this is just a normal query importing another query, but what we're going to do, we're going to convert it into crosstab from the top up here. Now I'm having the crosstab. Now we need to add column heading and row heading. Nothing is mentioned over here which one should be column or row heading. So anyway, I'm going to add the two fields. One is type, one is year. So let's start to add year. Let's add the another one, which is going to be type, and the third one should be usually the ID. So I'm going to add the boat ID as a value. So let's assign the first one to be a row heading, and if you find logically that it's not okay, the year shouldn't be row heading, we can change it simply. The type obviously going to be the column heading, and the boat is going to work as a value. Again, this is going to be a count function according to the question. So let's run it, and here we go. We can see the year, and based on the type over here, nothing is asked about, so it was clearly mentioned that not to add the row or column total, so do not add it. So that's the result of our question. So we can call it okay. So that's all for this activity. Let's move to the next video for the next task.